Yes.
And the people see the last chance of changing Haiti is Michel Martelly, who could have done the job. But it seems like there's another force behind it who doesn't want that, because Haiti happened to, there's another interest behind Haiti. I think the next following work that we're going to do will cover that area.
Exactly. You know, as you know, we're running out of time, and but we're gonna let people see the footage, yes, and stuff like that. And also one thing I would like to clarify, because I've heard that questions, or even it has been an issue for the Preval administration, which I think they want to bring a claim against Michel Martelly for you know, hitting the streets of Port-au-Prince and rejoicing too early before the result. They saying that there is a law in Haiti that prevents you from protesting, you know, etc. However, what I saw when we were filming is that there was the press conference in the Caribe Hotel with all the candidates, but they have left, and I believe to you that they were all supposed to be going out and protest.
Yeah.
However, Michel, I believe, said that they have left, but when the crowd came to look for Michel over at the hotel, and they were chanting outside, so Michel had to physically come out to prevent the people from destroying the place. So he actually went out, and then the people walked down the street with him.
And the United Nations was stopping those people too from coming in. Remember when we were coming together with the crowd, because the crowd was the one who penetrated us to come in.
Yes. So therefore, I don't think, like they said, like they accuse him that, you know, he went out or either protesting or either rejoicing a victory beforehand. That wasn't the case. Because, like you said, if you are a candidate and the people came, your supporter, they come, for instance, to support you, to scream. So what can you do? You can't hide, because it wouldn't look good.
Wycliffe was the first one that came down with the crowd. And then when they blocked...
Yeah, because I believe you told me he passed by in the car. And then he later got out of the car and enjoying Michel on top of the car. But from what I've seen, though, the whole march was like peaceful.
Yeah.
So basically, what would that be constituted as? You know, I don't know. But anyway, so we're running out of time, and I guess we'll come back and talk about. We'll talk more about, because there are so many things to talk about.
Yeah, so many stuff.
But for now, I think the most important thing, we cannot allow the CEP,
and there's money distributed to them too on behalf of people who are saying.
The rumor has it that there is a sum of $80,000 that was paid to the CEP.
And that's personnel. That's why when the rumor came big, there was another rumor. Opon said there was no way that Michel Martelly is going to be president in Haiti.
Oh, he actually
said that to somebody. Because the thing is, we are connected. We're gonna watch everything soon. And thank you for watching on camera, and follow the videos, and there will be more. It was Jonas Belazaire with Mark
Bello. Thank you, Jonas.
Thank you very much.
And we'll see you again in the next edition of On Camera. There are a lot of things to see about Haiti.
Thank you.
Stay tuned. Wherever there is liberty, we'll be there. Wherever justice is needed, we'll be there. Wherever there is action, we're right in the middle. And wherever the entertainment is, we'll bring it right to your TV set. On Camera, we'll take you there.
From director Richard Whitmark-Bello, A Child's Dream, a most unexpected and profoundly moving story.
Boss, hey man, we got visitors.
A child's dream, a masterpiece in every sense of the word. Everyone has a dream.
All right, baby, you got it? Please send this all here. It's all there.
But not every dream comes true.
I need to pick up my son.
You need to work this out, Valerie.
In times of hardship, families that eat together, pray
I
together,
want to be strong and protect me and my mom from all the bad people.
stick together. But when the going gets tough,
All you do is blame him. It's the easiest thing to do.
I'm afraid if this happens again, I'm gonna have to write you up for neglect.
everyone's true faith is put to the test.
You've changed your life real good. You have a decent job. You need a decent man.
You're a baby. You can't even afford real Red Sox stuff. You don't even have a dad.
In the midst of confusion and desperation,
Your priority needs to be your child.
I don't think that will be necessary, miss. I promise it won't happen again.
Do you have to call them niggas? Why can't you say black men or brothers?
What about all these other bad ways they use the word black?
Lester, the bad weather, go away. You smell like paint anyway. How come I can't stand the after-school program with all the other kids?
sometimes we need a guardian angel.
I ever see this guy next to you one more time, he's dead.
Whoever thought a child's dream could lead the way?
Quick, my mother needs your help.
Try it.
And you certainly won't be able to put a ring on this finger anytime soon if you keep living your life like this.
You wanna know why? Cause I always have to put that shit down on a damn application. There's always that space to check your ethnicity and if you have a criminal record. Now tell me, what does that have to do with one's skills or his ability to do a job?
A child's dream. Coming soon.